Ever struggled to share files securely or set up your own server? It can feel like a complex puzzle, but what if I told you there's an incredibly powerful, yet beginner-friendly way to achieve it? In this video, we'll demystify VSFTPD and have your very own FTP server up and running in no time, making file transfers a breeze. FTP might seem old school, but it's still a fast, reliable way to transfer files, especially in specific scenarios like web servers or enterprise setups. If you're new to FTP, it's normal to feel intimidated. Beginners often worry about complex setups or security risks, but we're about to make it simple. VSFTPD stands for Very Secure FTP Daemon. It's designed to be fast, safe, and easy to use, making it perfect for anyone starting out or scaling up. Now, on my machine, I've already gone ahead and installed the package. However, if you're following along, you'll need to begin by installing VSFTPD using DNF. The command for that is dnf install VSFTPD-y. After the installation finishes, a quick way to confirm everything is in place is to check the version number with a simple command, vsftpd-version. Let's configure VSFTPD using configuration file vsftpd.conf located in directory etc vsftpd. We will enable these settings, anonymous_enable to no, local_enable to yes, write_enable to yes, chroot_list_enable to yes, and allow_writable_chroot to yes. Save the file with the command wq!. Restart VSFTPD by using command systemctl restart VSFTPD. If firewall is not running, start the service and add service to allow FTP traffic and then reload configuration. If you are enjoying and learning, please like and subscribe. This will help me to create more engaging content. Also, setting the SE Linux Boolean to allow full FTP access. Then, create FTP user with user add command and set the password. Now, let's create a home directory for FTP user with mkdir command. Set the ownership with chown command. And set permissions with chmod command. Even with all the right permissions, SE Linux will still say no unless we explicitly tell it what type of data this folder holds. This command defines it as a writable public FTP share, so we use se manage f context command here. Let us create a sample file with touch command and then upload it locally using FTP command to test FTP server is working. I am creating two files, file 1 and file 2. Once that is done, here you go. We have successfully uploaded the file. Now we will do test using WISCP to upload file from client to test remote connection. You can use any FTP client, for example FileZilla. Once you are logged in, you can create file remotely via WinSCP client. Can test download by downloading file, then rename file and upload to test upload. Here we have proved that we can upload and download file remotely using WinCP client. This is end of our tutorial for today.